and it depends both on the requirements of the comrades as well as the resources and the command of the party and the organization, and there cannot be a single proposal for the entire country, because we are at the different ladder of development. So naturally the state committees this is proposed now, the state committees must address this problem and will come out depending on their, because in rural areas, urban areas, two different set of principles has to be applied, because resources are on the one hand and requirements is also the person who is staying back with his family and the person who is just shifted to an urban center for the organizational work, the requirement is different. And this is one area I am saying was the impact of in our society. Earlier it used to be joint family. So if some people is going to earn, some other people is going to contribute in the society, the same family. But now this is the impact of this new economy also, that you have a nucleus family. So the requirement is more and the sustenance is required, and it's not being supported adequately by the family, which used to be. So these are the areas which we are studying and discussing. No, state committees will decide. Sure. Right. Yes, this is one area. How to, not only the requirement or the necessity to reach out, but the modalities to reach out also is being discussed.
Comrade, after the plenum, is there any chance of expanding the Police Bureau or Central Committee, or it will happen only in the party congress?
No, plenum is not. The purpose of plenum is not that. Purpose of the plenum is to expand the party, not the committees. এটা সত্যনিষ্ঠ নয়, তথ্যনিষ্ঠ নয়। ওটাকে অধিকাংশ বলে না, একটা বললে এটা অধিকাংশ বলে না বাংলায়। হ্যাঁ, আমি যতটা বাংলায় জানি, একটাকে এখন অধিকাংশ বলে না। হ্যাঁ 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 প্রথমত শোনা কথায় বিশ্বাস করো না, আর দ্বিতীয়ত হচ্ছে শোনা কথার উপরে আমি রেসপন্ড বা করবো কী করে। কিন্তু কমিউনিস্ট পার্টি, for the benefit of the others I am speaking in English, so Communist Party, one of the basic principles on which the party is built and structured and flourished or even demolished throughout the world. Democratic secularism is one principle, but in case of implementation, sometimes the focus is given more on democracy in some areas, some occasions, and sometimes more on centralism. So the ability of the leadership and the capacity and capability of the organization is lying in to strike a balance between the two, and that's what we are seeking to establish that. And we are, till now, the CPIM could do it, but if there is some aberrations in some places or some exceptions or some lack of understanding, that we are trying to make it very clear.
But is there any difference in the party regarding an alliance or relation with Congress?
No discussion.
So is there any difference in the party?
No discussion. Difference come only when you discuss. When you are not discussing, how you can find out even unity or differences?
Is Bengal unit of the party still speaking for that?
Pardon?
Is Bengal unit of the party asking for that?
Till now, Bengal unit of the party position, that yesterday also it was being cleared, and so Comrade Surja Kanto Mishra, who is the secretary of the party, and I am one of the secretariat member of this West Bengal State Party, our position is that once the plenum is over, we will discuss this issue in the party after the new year, and then at the same time we will discuss it in the left allies also. So before that, nobody can offer anything.
So the doors are open.
I have not seen the door. Why you are showing me the door? He is interested in showing me the door. Please.
Key differences between CPIM Congress and CPIM plenum.
That's very important. I think this Congress is the highest body according to the party constitution, and as the name also is the highest congregation, not a party, but the highest body of the party. They are the Congress. So naturally, plenum is not that. So all basic policy matters regarding our tactical line and the central committee, all other party constitution, party program, these are being discussed in the party Congress. And that Congress is held from, applying the principle of democratic centralism from the bottom, step by step at every level. And that's how we come to a decision at the party Congress, involving entire party in a structured way of series of conferences and special meetings. And the plenum, the party Congress decided that certain issues which we could not focus in the party Congress but can be discussed in a special meeting, say for example extended central committee. So where central committee, most of the time between the two Congress, central committee is capable of and is authorized to take important decisions. But there are certain issues which party Congress think and central committee think or the PV think is more than central committee that we should involve. And that's how plenum, the concept of plenum is. So it's more than central committee, less than party Congress. And with a specific focused area. So this time it is organization. So naturally, these people are talking about all political discussions or decisions, which is because of lack of information or knowledge. That's why I made it clear. প্রথম সিদ্ধান্ত নেওয়ার প্রশ্ন সিপিআইএম এর স্টেট কমিটিগুলোর পার্টি কংগ্রেসের সিদ্ধান্ত অনুযায়ী কংক্রিট সিচুয়েশন কি আছে, বাস্তবতার উপর দাঁড়িয়ে বাস্তব পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে রিকোয়ারমেন্ট কি আছে, সেই প্রয়োজনে সেই স্টেটের পার্টি তারা সিদ্ধান্ত গ্রহণ করবে। কিন্তু তারা ডেমোক্রেটিক সেন্ট্রালিজম বা ফেডারালিজম এই দুটো মাথায় যদি রাখো, তাহলে তারা স্বাধীন নয় তারা সিদ্ধান্ত নেওয়ার ক্ষেত্রে। সেটা লাইন ইজ দেয়ার বাই দি পার্টি কংগ্রেস, দ্যাট ইজ ডিসাইডেড। In the light of that, discussion has to be made, decision has to be made, and that is to be endorsed in the party's Politburo, or for that matter, if central committee is there, central committee. So that's the structure thing. Now, so naturally, when this CPIM, because in Bengal or in Kerala or in Tripura, we are involved in this United Front with other left parties. So naturally, if you say something specifically for election, so naturally election we go with the left, as a left front here in Bengal, or LDF in Kerala. So naturally, when the CPIM takes a decision, they have to take into cognizance the left party's understanding, because as a leader of the left front, the CPIM has to carry the decision of the left. আমাদের কোনো ভীতি ছিল না। তোমাদের মিডিয়ার একটা অংশ, ন্যাশনাল মিডিয়া মেইনলি, যারা বেঙ্গল দেখে না, যারা তোমাদের মাধ্যমে দেখে, আর যারা এখানে দেখছিল, তারা একটা হাওয়া তুলছিল, যেমন মোদি হাওয়া হয়, ঠিক আছে, अच्छे দিনের হাওয়া যেমন হয়, সেটা ওখানে বিজেপি হাওয়া উঠছিল। সেই জন্য তুমি 17% বলছো। এখন পশ্চিমবঙ্গে কেউ 17% মনে রাখেনি বিজেপির। তারপরে সিরিজ অফ বাই ইলেকশন হয়েছে, এমনকি তোমার গিয়ে মিউনিসিপ্যাল ইলেকশন হয়েছে, ইলেকশনের নামে প্রহসন হয়েছে। কিন্তু তা সত্ত্বেও সেই প্রহসনে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের অধিষ্ঠিত বিজেপি এবং অনেক হইচই, নায়ক নায়িকা, হ্যাঁ, অনেক মালা লকেট সব নিয়েও কিন্তু তারা ওটাকে তাদের সমর্থনকে ধরে রাখতে পারেনি। সুতরাং সেই প্রশ্নটা এখন নেই। সুতরাং ভীতি সঞ্চারের কোনো প্রশ্ন নেই, এটা স্পষ্ট। কিন্তু এখনো একটা অংশ মনে করে যে যারা, ফর ইউর বেনিফিট ইন ইংলিশ, a section, important section of national media as well as regional media, they tried to pose a picture which was totally misplaced, that BJP is growing in Bengal, and in fact some of them, over enthusiasts, tried to say that left is being replaced as opposition by the BJP. That was not based on any real assessment of the situation. Those who were not having the understanding of the ground realities, and also the ethos, culture, tradition of Bengal, the social ethos of Bengal, the freedom struggle, the debate that took place during the freedom struggle, and the continuation of the Renaissance in Bengal. So when it's an issue of reason versus irrationality, so naturally Bengal cannot be and must not be allowed to sway by such concocted campaign, and that's the fact of the matter. No, you have this, Sanyupta, Ananda Sanyupta.
The left alliance become a stumbling block in the event that CPM decides to go with the Congress.
We don't think so. We don't think so.
And my next question is, during the presidential issue of Sonam Orange Bloc sided with CPM and voted for Sonam, but RSP and CPI didn't. So what will be the CPM's position in that?
So your second part of your question or statement just refutes the first part. The first part was, is the left decision, left understanding is going to be a stumbling block for your working out a state level electoral tactical line? And the second part, you said that during presidential election, the left parties took its own position. So where is the stumbling block?
That means you can always.
And that you don't compare with the president, vice president election with the state assembly election. As you cannot compare the local panchayat election with the parliament election. Should not. As a veteran like you, should not miss up these both.
Then there is a possibility of CPM going it alone.
Where is the possibility? I am talking about not only left, extended left. আসছি ওটা বোঝানোর জন্য বাংলা আসছি হ্যাঁ বলো সরি till now no purchase. That's why, so you are compelling us to discuss. We will discuss our electoral tactical line election. West Bengal is going to face assembly election, as in case of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam and other states also. So now you wanted us to discuss it now. The CPI with its own wisdom and experience decided to discuss it after the plenum in January. On the one hand you are saying why you are deciding now, on the other hand you are saying why you are going to discuss. We have to discuss. Any step we are going to take, we have to discuss. That's a democracy. It's not a one party or a family party. Okay, one man party. Sorry, Monidipa. Some ladies' voice,